Hello, viewers. It's yet another episode of Chillax with Joe's Chai, and today I'm very happy that I have two beautiful girls joining me, and I'm just waiting for our viewers, and I guess our viewers can also start sharing, including our guests, if they're already on their hot seat. I understand that they're already on their hot seat, and it's such an amazing session that's going to take place. So, all my viewers, welcome back to Chillax with Joe's Chai. We are going to find out all the secrets of being a model and an artist from Chaitra Ramakrishna and Nandita. Both of them best buddies, looks like from their profile, and they're always hanging out together. We don't know what all they do together. They could be partners in crime, you never know. So, we need to find out how successful have they been in the Kannada industry. They've done a lot of ads. They've done a lot of ramp walks, and to my surprise, they are mothers too. But they really don't look like. I look like their father. So I don't know. Let's see how things are going to go about. Two beautiful women, and it's so good. Yesterday we had a woman power, and today we have two women. I hope don't get jammed in between them. But as said by Pooja ji yesterday, she gave me a good comment saying I can please women. It sounds very fishy, but yeah. So let's see what's going to happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can also watch the recorded shows at YouTube. That's UTM Hunt channel. So you need to subscribe that as well. And thanks to Human Rights Committee India, and of course all our back support. We have Chintanji, who's my co-founder and pillar. I hope he's watching and sharing this live. I also request all our peasant friends and audience to start sharing and watching. All the fans of Chaitra Ramakrishna and Nandita as well to join in and watch. They are waiting to be heard, and they are amazing people. Had a fantastic no makeup session a couple of hours back, and both of them were still looking beautiful. So, talking about Chaitra Ramakrishna, so she has walked a lot of ramps, especially for brands like Calone Jewelry, Lakshmi Krishna label calendar launch, Karnataka Hemmeya Mahile Awards, Women Entrepreneurs Day. She had a ramp walk in the presence of our CM of Karnataka. She also walked for Dream Zone Designers. She also worked for the international designer Yogita Anand. She's done lot many ads for Tanera, Titan I Plus. She's done for Dhanalakshmi Silvers. She's also anchored for Cine Stars for YS International Fashion Week. She's also been featured in Lifestyle magazine, Fashion Bud, and that's a great achievement as well. I mean, at this young age, she's done so many things, and I really wonder what's the secret of her success. And she's also a World Book of Talent Record winner, is what I understand. But me telling our viewers about them is no fun at all. So it's better to listen to them directly from the horse's mouth. And they have requested me, especially not to embarrass them by asking. Dirty questions, naughty questions. But my job is that, and I will be doing that. So I'm going to ditch them today. Uh, talking about Nandita Sandeep. Nandita Sandeep is yet another amazing personality, a very, very good buddy of Chaitra Ramakrishna. And Nandita Sandeep, she has also done so many stuffs. If I see her profile, it's not enough. I mean, I can't finish it in 1 hour's time. But yeah, it's apparently said that she has the most beautiful eyes, and which is why she's won Mrs. Beautiful Eyes at Mrs. India Galaxy. She's the winner of Miss Vista at PES College, which is also my college, which is also Chaitra Ramakrishna's college as well. We all passed out from there. She's one Mrs. Photogenic, and I agree to that. She has to be a photogenic female, and that was at Mrs. Bangalore. She's also a Limca Book of Records holder, artist of Thousand Lord Ganesh paintings. So she's done Thousand Lord Ganesh paintings, and that's an amazing achievement. She's a winner of Glimpses Mom and Me contest. She's also featured in Out of Focus magazine, interviewed by Suddhi TV and Passion Connect, model for Sunfeast TVC, model for Cycle Pure Agarbatis, video ad, model for Mangalore Jewels, and so many more brands. I mean, it's so many more. Trust me, I couldn't fill my slide and my introduction. Okay, so it's better to hear it from them directly. And she's also the World Book of Talent Record winner. So, so, ladies and gentlemen, you know how interesting it's going to be. So, my viewers, please share right away. Okay, you guys can watch me on my profile. You can also later watch us as the recorded show on our channel as well. So, we have 3 more minutes to invite them. I know they are there on the hot seat. So to all my Malayalam viewers, ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ നടുവിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് രണ്ട് അടിപൊളി മോഡൽസ് ആണ്. സോ അവർ മോഡൽസും ആണ്, അതിൽ ഒരാൾ ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റുമാണ്. സോ അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും അമേസിങ് റാമ്പ് വാക്സും അധികം ബ്രാൻഡ്സിന് വേണ്ടി അവര് വാക്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ആഡ്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ അവരിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് എന്തെല്ലാം യുനോ പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു സെഷനാണിത്. സോ ഈ ചിലാക്സ് വിത്ത് ജോയ്സ് ചായ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് യുനോ ഇറ്റ്സ് അബൌട്ട് കണക്ടിങ് ഇന്ത്യ. It's about connecting the south to north, north to south, east to west, and vice versa. So we want people across India to know people at different locations, so that it could open, lot many channels of getting connected with each other. So it's a fantastic show, ladies and gentlemen. Also, do not forget to sign in with UTM. That's the Unsung Talent Miracles. We have an online talent hunt that happens, and that is at the moment currently running. And all that you have to do is visit www.jmorphinc.org. If you go there, you'll be able to click register. You can choose all your talents, whichever you want to take part, and there's solo and group. All that you have to do is select, participate, and of course, the winners get amazing prizes. So, my dear viewers, I'm as explanatory as possible today, and it's a sexy weather outside. I don't know if I use the right word. Oh God. Okay, so it's an amazing weather outside, and it's beautiful. It's raining, so I'm going to start getting naughty with my beautiful darlings. Okay, that's Chaitra Ramkrishna. So I'm going to have them on board immediately. So I'm going to first have Chaitra Ramkrishna on board. Uh, Chaitra ji,
Hi Jojo, how are you?
how are you doing?
I'm doing super good. Thank you for an
Wow.
amazing introduction, actually.
I know it was not enough because you have laid a huge profile in front of me. I'm not able to tell people at all.
Thank you so
You
much.
guys have done so much. And Chaitra ji, I want you to be relaxed. We're going to have a fantastic session. आज मेरे
Yes.
नॉर्थ इंडियंस व्यूअर्स के लिए ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे साथ चैत्रा जी मौजूद है. और चैत्रा जी बहुत रैम्स वॉक किए हैं, और शी इज एन अमेजिंग एड्स, वीडियो एड्स भी किए, एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स किए हैं. एंड और एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ कि शी इज ऑल्सो माई बैचमेट. एंड बीइंग अ बैचमेट, ये उन दिनों में लाइक शी नेवर यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट मॉडलिंग, and today she's a beautiful, well-known model. And Chaitra ji, I think it's high time we bring in Nandi, is what you call her. Am I right?
Yes. Yes. I
Nandita,
call her Nandi.
Nandita Sandeep. You call her Nandi. So I'm going to
Nandi.
call her Nandi Hills. I remember.
Nandi.
So we're going to have Nandi coming joining us as well. Nandi, how are you?
Hi, hello Jojo. Hi Chaitra.
Hi Nandi.
Fantastic. How are you all doing?
Super good.
Great. Thank you so much for the wonderful intro about us.
Not enough, Nandi, because Nandi, and what's with you and purple? Do you love purple? That's your favorite color?
Not exactly. I like pink, but
Okay.
if I buy a new dress, then definitely if I have an occasion, I'll wear it. Right? Being a
Ah,
girl,
okay,
you know,
okay.
right?
Ah, you are the girl. And Chaitra,
Yes.
what about you? Why are you looking all tense? You need to be cool.
No, I'm not tense, Jojo. Come on. Why will I be?
So I see that both of you have
Being your
gone for the.
batchmate, listen, being your batchmate, I should not be tense for all these.
Oh, I know. We've learned it the hard way, isn't it?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, okay. And talking about both of you, it looks like you've gone to a lovely beauty parlor and got your hair set.
No,
No.
beauty
Okay.
parlor at home.
Self groomed.
Oh my God! So
Yes.
is that really possible? Can we do it at home itself? Because all the models, they tend to go immediately an hour before the show and just get everything set, put those creams and all that. What do you have to say, Chaitra, about it?
No, I just do it at home. I don't go to parlors for all these.
Okay, so have you kept
Actually,
someone to do it, or is that your husband doing it for you?
No, hello. It's just me. I do it by myself.
Okay. What about Nandi?
see, actually, when we have projects like this, back to back, we can't depend on parlors. So,
Yeah.
dressing
Okay.
up from home, we take classes for this, and self grooming is possible because of that.
Wow, wow. Both of you sounding very confident. And Nandiji, you're from Bangalore itself?
Yeah, settled in Bangalore since 8 years. Born and brought
Okay,
up in Mysore.
Mysore. Okay, so as you're a Kannadiga at the end of the day.
Yeah,
So,
Kannadiga.
so what we as custom do is, initially ask the guests to wish all the viewers, okay, to who are
Okay.
watching and who are to watch, okay, in your mother tongue. So, can you please go ahead and start wishing your viewers, please, in Kannada?
But what wishes exactly?
I mean,
Anything.
yeah, just a nice hi, and hope they're keeping well
Okay.
and things like that. Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೋಜೋ ಶೋಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Chillax with Joe Sturge Swagata.
Okay.
Okay.
Chaitra, it's your turn.
Okay, Chaitra, what about you? Hey, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ sentences ಮಾತಾಡ. ಏನ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂನ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಿಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಜೋಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋನ ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲೈವ್ ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. And
Okay.
also, I'm mixing a lot of English, so sorry about that.
It's okay. It's okay.
I would like to
Namde
tell
Rajya,
stay home,
Namde
stay
Rajya.
safe. Yeah, Namde Rajya.
Okay. Okay. What about Chaitra? Please give in your wishes.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಜೋಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ and having us two here and experiencing our
Kannada.
He said Kannada, Chai.
First,
okay.
first we're going to speak to the Kannadigas. Yeah.
Okay, thank you Jojo for ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜೋಜೋ. ನಿಮ್ ಶೋಗೆ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay.
ಅಂಡ್
ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು for having us here.
See, you're a very, very dynamic Kannadiga speaker, and I don't know, today very very conscious.
No, the problem is here till schooling we keep talking, but after that it's like too
Yeah.
less we use. That's the problem. I will make
Okay.
sure and speak more of Kannada.
Okay.
From
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
on.
Kannada, because I'm not a Kannadiga, but I love Kannada. Being brought up here and settled
That's
in
really
Bangalore.
nice. The
ನಮ್ಮ
way you
ಕನ್ನಡ
talk.
ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು
Cheers.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So what about one sentence? Namaskar, har prekshakar ko. Something like that in Hindi.
हिंदी.
हाँ.
नमस्कार
Go ahead,
सभी
Chaitra.
लोगों को.
अच्छा.
जोजो चाय के लिए आप सबका स्वागत है.
Okay.
Then
अरे मस्त यार, you also know Hindi, Chaitra. Very good, very good.
little, not that great. Little. I can
Nandy, what about
manage.
you? Nandy, what about you?
Same to same. Whatever Chaitra told.
so you're yet to learn A of Hindi, yeah?
No. It's better, but I don't want to torture people who's listening to this, so it's okay. Let them
Okay.
get.
Okay. So as always, what we ask our guests to do is, are your chais ready?
Yes.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
so sorry. I forgot actually. I'll get
Ah,
it.
that's okay. That's okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have my cheers with Chaitra first. Okay. So Chai, welcome to Chillax with Joe's Chai. Cheers to you. And
Cheers.
yeah,
to
cheers
you.
Nandi to you as well.
Cheers.
When your cup arrives, you need to have a cheers with me as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, fantastic.
Any mug.
Thank you to our advocate Ravindra Raoji, who's watching the show as well. Thank you to Naveen Reddy, who's also watching our show. Thank you to all the fans of Chaitra ji, all the well-wishers of Nandi as well. Thank you for watching us. We are going to enter into the Sada Chai segment. So in Sada Chai segment, Chaitra ji, I want you. Oh yeah, cheers, Nandi. Chaitra, one more
Cheers,
cheers.
Nandi. Cheers.
Cheers to Joe's Chai, and let's have a super session ahead. Okay, let's hope we inspire so many. Is that really chai inside or is it water?
Water. For me, it's water. There's nothing.
I was just pouring.
You are insulting the program itself, Mandy.
No. I meant that you should give me a proper chai.
I had sent it to you because of the rains. It's not reached you because I normally send
Okay.
all the guests.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think it's
So talking about we have somebody who just peeped in at Nandy's camera.
yeah, that's my daughter. I told her
Oh
she's
my
a
God!
naughty
Don't
girl.
let's talk about it. We're going to talk about that later because I can't believe both of you have children. ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಟಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ and moving on to Sada Chai, the first question to both of you. It's so wonderful to know that you guys are models. It's so wonderful to know that you've walked so many brands, you have represented so many ads, for brands. It's fantastic, as accepted. But I know what happens in the past, and it's not an easy journey for everybody. Okay, so I want to initially know from both of you about your family upbringing, and what was it like to be settled in Bangalore, and your society. How does it feel? About your family, please, Chai.
Okay. So when it comes to me, I was from childhood, I was very innocent and sadhu types, not talking
Okay.
much to people, no socializing. I was
ಸುಳ್ಳು
just to
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವಳೆ,
myself.
ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವಳೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ
Hey, I'm serious. So I never used to socialize much. So
Okay.
once I got into NMKRV, I was just reserved kinds. I was like, I don't know how people is going to react when I talk to them and all those stuff. I don't know. I had that kind of inferiority feeling or something. Then when I
Okay.
came to PESIT, that's when my life changed. Actually, meeting all you guys over there. Oh my
Okay.
God, you gave me a hell ride of PESIT college.
That's
Experience.
nice.
It was super good.
Right.
And
Okay.
that's where a little transformation happened from okay to good. So
Okay.
a little kind of
It's all good.
transformation happened.
She talks
Yeah.
a lot. She talks a lot now.
In
Now,
college,
though, don't at all compare to now, Nandi.
I
College,
think we
I
should
was
we should still
too.
go back. We should still go back, Chai, to your first year of college. First year college, Ali,
Huh.
you were okay. You were okay, silent, as you said. You were getting into that phase
Yeah,
of turning from an
yeah,
introvert to an extrovert. But
yeah.
second year, third year, you were miserable. You were like very
She's
talkative.
the same. She's the same
Not
even now.
much actually. Now, though, I'm even more, Nandi. Actually, now, though, I'm even more talkative. During my
Okay.
second year or third year, I was little transformed actually. Then after
Okay.
that, when I got into Target, that's where little change happened even more better.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then when I married the Lord Sri Ram, then
Okay.
to full transformation, I completely changed. And my mom,
Okay.
when she came for the interview for Sri Ram's interview, right? When she came to see
Okay.
him, she's like, he
Okay.
talks a lot. You are nothing in front of him. Now, though
Uh,
Sri Ram doesn't talk only. I'll be like,
and
He's
you
okay,
you've
taken
so
taken the
over.
he'll be like,
responsibility.
I am
He's
sleepy. I
taken over
want to sleep.
completely.
Yeah, I've
Acha,
taken
okay.
over completely. And when it comes to the transformation, I've transformed totally. And when it comes to socializing, I've changed a lot. When it comes to
Okay.
meeting people, I don't know. I somehow, if I meet someone new, no, I don't feel I'm meeting them just like 2 days or
You
one day
connect
prior. I
easily. You
feel like,
connect
yeah,
easily
I
with them.
connect very easily to people right now. So
Okay.
there's
Okay.
too much of transformation from my childhood to my
Nice.
marriage life.
So
And
how
when
has your
it
family
comes,
supported? Yeah.
yeah, my mom, dad, they're a very big pillar for me. And when it
Okay.
comes to my brother as well, they've supported me in each and every way. And when it comes to love, care, pamper, they have given
Okay.
their best. They've gone out of their line to give me everything possible in life. And then
Okay.
after marriage is when I learned what life was,
Wow.
actually speaking, because of my mother-in-law. I would
Okay.
really, she's not there here with us today, but
Okay. Okay.
she watching us above, she'll feel happy that she's a
Wow.
proud one. She'll definitely feel proud about me. I'm sure
Wow.
about
So
that.
nice. And for a matter of
And
fact, Chai, I also know that when I used to meet your mom, she used to be very talkative.
talkative, my mom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
did that flow into your blood later in your life, or how is it?
No, it's
From
actually my dad who is very socializing and very talkative. My mom, though, is
okay.
little reserved when it comes to things. My dad
Okay.
is totally socializing. He's too
Okay,
much
wow. See,
into
we've
socializing.
sorry to interrupt. We've already got a beautiful comment. So, of course, the co-founder, my pillar, Chintan Vashi from Gujarat. So he's as good as my elder brother who's supporting me for this show. And he says hi and good evening to all of you. And Jojo K Joseph, host as well, talented Chaitra and Nandi. Good comments for you guys. The other thing I think he
Thank
was
you.
like me. I mean, it's okay. Then comes about Abhishek Harry. He says fantastic scenes. It's wonderful how all of us can gather together onto a platform and develop a sense of fledging pride, and that's amazing. It's good to know, and it's so good to hear about you, Chai. I just want to know that who has been your strong pillar in the family from your childhood? Was it your mama or dad?
Both. I
Okay.
can't take just one. It's going to be my
Okay.
mom, dad, and my brother.
Oh
So
wow.
all these three have been like over supportive and
Okay.
over caring, and
Okay.
I don't know what to name. It's everything. They've given me everything. I've got A to Z in life. There's
Okay.
nothing where I
Do you
can
guys
point
know?
and
Do
say,
you guys know? Do you guys know Prakriti Gowda of Karnataka?
Prakriti Gowda.
Prakriti Gowda. She's also a well-known. So she says "Awesome Joe," and she's very
Okay.
happy to be seeing the show. And Uma Sulegai, I'm so proud of Chai. Who's Chai?
Yeah,
Chai.
she's
Chai.
my friend Uma.
Yeah, so Uma is there.
Because
Karan and Khalsa, super nice one, guys. And okay, now Chai, I'm going to give you a break now to have a sip. And Shailaja
yes,
Ramakrishna, I'm sure that's your mother.
that's my mom. Yeah.
Okay. But unfortunately, it's typed there. I'm Chaitra's dad. So the dad is sneaking through mom's account,
Mom's
just
phone.
making sure she's not chatting with anybody, making use of the situation. Okay. Dear Nandi,
Okay.
Nandi, what about
Mm.
your family background and where do you come from? How has it been?
I'm from Mysore.
Okay.
I have one sibling, elder sister.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, my mom loves me the most.
Wow.
But support is major from my dad. He's been
Oh, okay.
supportive throughout, and even
Wow.
my sister. I treat my sister as my mom. Actually,
Oh,
she's the basic pillar for me and my dad as well. And
okay.
since 14 years, I'm married
Okay.
and mother of a 10-year-old.
My God.
Uh, yeah, so my
What
daughter
is the
and
secret of both of you looking so young?
thank
What do
you,
you
thank
use?
you
Which
for
soap do
the
you use? Which soap do you use?
secrets shared.
Okay, and tell me how tough was it for you to transform into into the modeling industry with your family background? Were they supportive?
Actually, initially they were not supportive. They were like in a dilemma whether is it okay,
Mm.
especially
Okay.
after being married. Is it okay? Is it
Okay.
safe? But once the journey started, I've been experiencing, and I'm very sure I'm gonna take my parents or my husband wherever I go. So they
Wow.
got to know what is exactly what is happening. So I
Okay.
choose. I choose where I go. I check the background. I know what I will first get to know what is it exactly, and then I will go ahead. So
Okay.
initially there was a dilemma, but later on, getting all the good brands, getting all the
Okay.
good name, definitely they
Okay.
started supporting.
जी, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि दोनों के फैमिलीज चैत्रा जी और नंदिता के फैमिलीज दोनों सपोर्टिव ही थे एंड
Yeah.
इसीलिए ये लोग आगे भी बढ़ने के लिए बहुत आसान हो सकता था मुझे पता नहीं और हम लोग आगे डिस्कवर करेंगे कि कैसा था वो सफर मॉडलिंग की इंडस्ट्री में और स्पेशली साउथ इंडिया में क्या होता है व्हाट हैपेंस इन साउथ इंडिया इज ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ್
Mm.
ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರನ್ನ ಸೊ so we need to know how we face that. Before we go to that, what are your passion and hobbies, Chai?
Oh, I'm passionate when it comes to sports. I'm
Okay.
too much into badminton,
Wow.
and
Okay.
yeah, I'm passionate about modeling as well.
Okay.
And I'm a home baker,
Hmm.
and then I'm a chocolatier as well by
Wow.
profession. Yeah,
Okay. We're going to talk
and
about that. Yeah.
yeah, and passion is singing and badminton.
You dug a dig. You big dig for
I
yourself.
don't mind
Uh,
singing. I
yeah.
don't
So
mind singing. Yes, I don't
immediately
mind.
we're going to make this fun by saying. And before that, my mother, Jolly Jaws. All the best. Keep it up. Thank you, mummy. And yeah, I
Thank you
want
so
Chaitra to
much.
sing immediately because in college we couldn't pull her
Okay,
legs,
this
man.
is one of
So,
my
yeah.
She's all ready to sing.
and this is
I know
yeah,
she's
and
prepared.
this is one of my favorite song.
Okay,
And whenever I go low in life, this is the
okay,
song which always motivates me and to come up back to my get back to my nerves.
okay.
So I'm gonna sing this just two lines, huh? Okay.
Please.
Yeah. ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरे मुश्किलें बड़ी है ये
Wow.
मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है आती है आंधियाँ तो कर
अरे वाह.
उनका कहर मकदम तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे जड़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरे मुश्किलें बड़ी है ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मैं
Okay. I
yeah
think I think yeah.
it got cut.
No, 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 no. You're there. You're still there. You're still there.
I'm still there. Okay.
ये कहो मत कि मुश्किलें बड़े हैं क्योंकि दुआ ने रब ने सब
Khuda.
कुछ करके दिया है,
Yeah,
खुदा
yeah,
ने सब
yeah.
कुछ करके दिया. Wow, what
So
a fantastic song.
this was one of the song which my mother-in-law introduced to me. One
Oh,
day I was totally low, and
okay.
I'm too much into God, Sai Baba. Okay, so she came
Mhm.
up to me and she's like, "You read so many books, then also you're low. Why is it? I don't know. I'm feeling somewhat low." Then she
Okay.
introduced this song to me, and never
Wow.
to be forgotten is this song.
Beautiful,
Whenever I
Chai.
go low,
Very
this is the song
Such a,
I
superb.
such a
think about.
fantastic reply. Very
Yeah.
good, very good. And to your surprise, we have one of our PES. I hope he'll come and join us. I'm not going to tell the name now.
Oh,
He
okay.
says, "Good evening, Joe. It's really nice to see these them chillax with Joe Chai sessions. Okay, happy to see my two college mates. Oh, two college mates. Was Nandita in PES as well?
No,
Okay, two
It's
I
college
think
you
he
mates.
and
mentioned about
me.
you both.
Or maybe both of us, yeah. Who are
Yeah.
entrepreneurs today in their own walks of life and been inspiring millennials. Today's speakers are motivating to see as model mothers. Wow, seriously, Vishal, being mothers is still
Oh,
I'm not
Vishal.
still not digest. I want to check their children if they resemble them.
That's too much.
so,
That's a
so
good one.
so fantastic, Chai. Thank you for the lovely introduction of the song with your passion. Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, Vishal tells you both. I mean, and now I want to know about Nandy's passion and hobbies.
My passion is art
Okay,
and modeling.
okay,
Yeah, these two were like basically very much interested. I would like to go ahead a lot in my life was art and modeling.
okay.
Today, I have chosen these two only and have come up as an entrepreneur in both these fields only is what makes me happy the most.
Wow,
I
wow,
have
very
my venture where I do
uh-huh.
craft and art.
Okay,
And yeah, modeling is as a freelance model, take projects. So yes, I'm happy about
very
my
nice.
passion
So
turned profession.
talking about both of you, do you sing, Nandi?
No, I
Don't
sing,
lie.
but yeah,
Don't
I
lie.
sing, but yeah, it's only dedicated to
Every
using these
artist
four
and a
voice.
model can sing at least two lines. So Nandi, you
No
have to sing.
ways.
No,
No
there
Yes,
is a
way.
come
way.
Don't
on,
fall
Andy.
in.
You can do
Hey, no,
it.
no, no,
ये
no, no,
खुदा
Hey,
no.
ने
come
decide किया
on.
है. खुदा ने
No,
Come
किया
on, come on. You have to
है. Okay,
do
okay.
it.
I
No,
don't
no,
want to.
it's okay. We'll pull our legs later, Chai. It's okay.
Yeah,
We're going
Okay,
to
yeah.
take
good,
a
good.
break.
Later,
Done,
later,
done, done.
later.
Okay. What about both of your marriage life? Okay, since you guys still look very young, you've got. I mean, your husbands are very lucky. Thanks to Chintanji, he's going to send you both a bouquet. And Charan Kumar, namaskara, Charan Aure, my brother,
Sarah.
my best friend. Again, about your entire marriage life. How easy has it been? Okay, Chai. I think you should
One
come back on
second.
camera. Yeah. So, Nandi, what about you? How has your marriage life been?
Marriage life, I can tell it's a roller coaster ride because
Mm-hmm.
it won't go in the same like in a railway track. Ups, downs is natural in everyone's life. And yes, after
Okay.
marriage, definitely it's quite challenging because from a spinster changing into a
Okay.
married woman and then again taking the responsibility of all the relationships to balance
Mm-hmm.
their views, their thoughts, and then
Okay.
again going through the phase of a being mother and handling the mood swings of all the family members. It's quite a challenging task, but yeah,
True.
I
True.
feel complete. I feel
Okay.
complete being a mother, being a mom,
Okay.
being a wife.
But but again, yeah, since you just told about these two beautiful words that every lady goes through, mood swings. So I understand
Mm.
it happens during your normal monthly cycle. It happens during your tensions that you go through. I want this show to be a little more, very very close to the hearts of women. Okay, who go through tough times because there are so many diseases associated with it. And they go through a tough time. It could be anything. So I want to know, how do you handle these mood swings? Especially it's very tough when you have a very big dream and ನೀವು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ, ಅದೊಂಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್?
So basically, mood swings is like, oh, it's not only about we handling it. Our family
Okay.
members, our friends also should handle
Okay.
us. And at the same time, when they are going through that, even we should adjust. So it's basically not just with us. The
Okay.
opposite person also should understand the situation. And when the opposite person is not ready to understand, it's better we understand the situation. Sometimes I go quiet, I go on a
Okay.
mute mode.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I think that's the better, most
I think
best
that's the best
option
way to
for
handle
her.
it. True, no, because what
Yeah.
happens is in the afternoon, if my wife says love you, in the night she's maybe waiting with a knife to kill me. So that is the range, that's the degree of mooding that happens to any girl, and we can't blame it because it is nature. It is
Yeah.
Mother Nature who's God's creation. So we can't do anything. We'll have to adjust with each other. Chai ji, what about you? What about your married life? When did this happen? And what about the transformation after your marriage?
Okay. Marriage life is like heaven for me right now
Oh,
because I have a very supportive husband, touchwood, and
perfect.
no matter what I do, he supports
I
me in
just, I
everything.
just touched the wood. 1 minute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
So
did
I have
that.
a
I did
very supportive husband.
that.
And when
Okay.
it comes to my in-laws, also my mother-in-law was the chilled out lady, and
Wow.
she is all this kind of ramp walks, modeling, and all. And
Okay.
she, when I told her, when Nandi asked me for a TV9 ad shoot, that was the
Okay.
first time I asked her. I was like,
Hmm.
Amma, can I go and can I attend? She's like, yeah, yeah, I would love to see you on the screen. Go ahead, go
Okay.
ahead. That was my first shoot though, but she was always motivating.
Wow.
And my husband is also damn motivating. And my
So good.
son is also very cooperative. So
Okay.
whenever I have to take a picture, he'll be like, Amma, again picture, huh? He'll be like that.
Okay.
So it when
They
it
know the
comes to my
process.
journey, marriage life is very nice. I've learned loads of things. And when I
Okay.
went to US in between for 1.5 years, that's where I
Hmm.
learned how to manage, how to get things done, how to do everything. In US,
Okay.
I used to do this catering business as well. So I
Oh,
used to cater for small parties and all. And then when
wow.
I came back to India for good, that's when I
Okay.
thought, okay, fine, sitting idle doesn't make sense to me.
True.
So I just
True.
wanted to try something, and I started with Choco Dainty. And I've been, my parents, everyone have been supportive throughout my journey. No
Okay.
complaints when
Okay.
it comes to marriage life and my normal life
Okay.
as well.
Nandi, I want to ask you, as a child, what was your character? Has it changed as and when you learn, in life and you become big? Has there been a transformation from your childhood behavior and mannerisms to now?
Actually, I don't feel changes in me because that time also I was an extrovert. I used
Okay.
to get along with people, and even now, but
Okay.
now it's been even more. I talk a lot,
Okay.
and even after meeting Chaitra, I'm talking a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes,
She's
yes.
she's a
High
she's a
five, high
bad
five, high
influence,
five,
you
high
said.
five.
So I had a lot of friends in my school and as
Okay.
well as college.
Okay.
But now, yeah, see, every day we meet friends in school, right? So
Mm-hmm.
being in touch was easier.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
since we are married, placed in different cities, different
Uh,
places, and maybe different countries as well, so we
okay.
not get an option to be in touch with them regularly, right? So
Okay.
that changes is there in me, wherein I miss my friends. Actually, I
Okay.
miss
Okay.
hanging around with them every day.
Yeah.
Other than that, yeah, it's all the
That's
same.
exactly what I wanted to know. Let Chai answer that first. Chaitra, what
Hmm.
happens is when we get into something really serious. Now, for example, if I was not in the show, doing the show, I would have rather been sitting with my friends and hanging out and having some really good time. Do you think it's very important to make those sacrifices madlebeka illa balance madbeka, or do we really have to cut certain relationships and so that we are focused in life? How do you manage
I
that?
would say I would balance it.
Okay.
I don't want to cut short on anything. I just want to balance it because life
ಈಗ
is short.
ಈಗ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರ್ನ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಕುಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? So what happens is when
Hey.
you're sitting in, ಇಲ್ಲ, when you're sitting in coffee day, when you have it at
Hmm.
5 o'clock and talking to friends, it's a different atmosphere. When you sit at 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
it's a different atmosphere. So what I'm saying is, do you really have to sacrifice?
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice. No, yeah. Not really. I don't think
Not really. So
you
you
have
you
to.
rather believe in balancing it.
Exactly. I would rather
Perfect.
believe
What
in
about Nandi?
balancing.
Nandi, I understand that you understood my question.
Yeah, yeah, I understood. I was ready to answer as well.
Okay.
I would tell the same answer like Chaitra. I don't want to sacrifice. Definitely, yeah. As you said, there's a change in the timing. Definitely,
Okay.
what has happened to now will definitely be
Where's your
postponed
chai?
or
Where's your chai?
preponed.
You need to wet your throat as well. Ilandra corona
Yeah.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. We do that thrice a day. We have those kashayas and also to keep ourselves safe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Being obedient.
homemade
Who's
remedies.
who is Uma Sulegai? Is it one of your relatives, mom, dad?
She's my friend.
Okay, she says she tries her best to balance. So that's fantastic comment from your friend. And
That's
Vishal says a quick question to both the speakers, Nandi and Chaitra. We all know that working mothers have their own challenges, but how differently difficult it is as model working mothers, and what advice would they give to other model mothers? So let's start with Nandi
See,
as a
since
modeling mother.
as I told you before, we both are freelance models. It's not like that we
yeah.
have a regular work from 9 to 5 or 9 to 7 every day. So
Okay.
balancing is definitely very easy. We take up projects wherein our children are in the school engaged.
Okay.
Those
Okay.
times we cover up. And yes,
Okay.
in case if we are late, we have a substitute, we have help at home, we have friends who can take care. And definitely balancing work and children is definitely easy
Work
for us
life.
because it's not 24/7 job.
Okay. So is that the same thing, Chai, that you want to say as well?
Same. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ನೀವು
It's
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
perfect.
ಯೋಚನೆ
Same
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ,
pinch.
ನಿಮ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಕರಿಯರ್ ನ?
Husbands, though, morning if
They'll
they go,
come in
they'll
the
come back
night.
in the night.
Exactly.
So it should not
ಅಚ್ಚಾ,
matter
which
as
is why
long as
Chaitra said it's heavenly now, because husband ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. So she's as good as she's as
yeah,
good as she's free now.
We miss them at
yeah.
that time. It's not.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ
No,
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
no, 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 no. See, I don't know whether my husband is watching it live or not, but I'm gonna tell it. I
He's
miss
going to
them.
watch it later for sure.
Yeah.
What
I
else did
hope.
she like?
I hope he observes this.
Uh,
Sandy, I will
okay.
miss you.
Arey wah. Okay. What about the negative side of the society? I wouldn't call it negative side. There are a lot of challenges being in Indian community. I think it's tough to support both, because the minute the family gets to know that you're into modeling, or the society gets to know you into that, there's always a pre-assumed notion that these girls are going into a wrong path. Is it? Are they going to be at clubs throughout the night with all their party lovers? And so there are a lot of misnotions and misconceptions about this particular industry. Okay, so could you please explain to both our parents, all the parents who are watching, okay, हर parents के लिए और models के लिए भी, कि how does that actually work, कि सच्चाई क्या है, what is the truth behind it? You need not be doing such things also. Isn't that the truth? What about you, Chai?
So as Nandi told, we are into freelancing. So
Okay.
we adjust as per the time, as per the shoot and all those stuffs.
Okay.
And when it comes to meeting people, Nandi has already told prior, we are going to see how are they into, are they genuine to be entered?
Okay.
All those
Okay.
things we do background study, and then only we enter into some kind of a show
Mm.
which we like. So just like that, going is not us because we are mothers. At the end, the society will be watching us. So we
Okay.
have to take our measures and everything, and then we have to just go
Okay.
forward.
So according to what
See,
you're
when
saying,
it comes to when
yeah.
it comes to parents, they have the complete trust on us and they're going to send us. It's not that every mother can be like no, go, just go, just go, just go. They'll also have that scareness, they'll also have that fear. How is it going to be, what is it going to be? But
Okay.
the thing is, we have to be careful and we should do our study about that person before entering into a
Okay.
show or anything.
So अगर if all for all the North Indian aspiring models, अगर आपको modeling करना है माँ बनने के बाद भी, just take the measures, simple measures लेना कि अगर वो agency genuine है, the
Exactly.
client genuine है, okay, and what you're called for, is that the only work, and what is the schedule, ये सब पूरा background check करने के बाद you can pursue with your modeling career, if you're a mother or even if you're not a mother, because I think that's how you
Exactly.
say your individuality. And I
Especially
think
for
according to,
girls, better be.
please, Nandi, what about your intake on that? And we're going to soon have Chintanji come in to ask you a few questions in Hindi, and to pull your
Oh.
legs as well. So Chintanji is almost there on the hot seat, so I'm going to bring him in. So before that, Nandi, yeah, what about your view on this?
See, I wish to tell all the viewers one most important thing.
Okay.
the negative side, what people think about modeling, is not at all true. I'm in this
Okay.
Yeah.
field since 4 years. I have
Okay.
not come across not even once that negative side of modeling, because people will think that, yeah, once into modeling means, yeah, as you said, pubbing, partying, or
Mm,
whatever, or any
mm.
other negative things. We have not come across. Modeling is not just about exposing
Hubbing
or
and partying.
just,
Yeah.
yeah, it's not that. It's about passion. It's about doing what you like.
Interest. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, there are mindsets of both the side of people. See, I have relatives who
Okay.
praises me like a lot. They tell
Wow.
that they're very proud of me for what I'm doing. And at the
Mm-hmm.
same time, I have relatives who will do backstabbing. They tell that, is it needed, especially
Acha.
after being a mom? Is it needed?
Okay.
Actually, we belong to a same community called Vaishyas, that is Telugu.
Vaishya.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
Yeah. So, in being in this community, you still want to do, because people
Mm.
think like that. But at the
Okay.
same time, there are people of my elder generation, my in-laws generation, even more elders. They come and tell that we are very proud of you. You are
Wow.
achieving what no one else has done in our family. So
Very
it's
nice.
both the
Very nice.
sides.
So no,
So
when you have
it's the way
elders
we
to
think.
support you, we can just with all might and strength, enter enter the industry. And I think I also understood one more thing, Nandi. As you said, somebody or the other keeps coming with you when you go for your your clients or whatever. And it's good to have a godmother or godfather or somebody who's there behind you to keep your back.
Yeah.
And वो भी बहुत जरूरत होता है कि हमारे पीछे कोई है, जैसा इस शो के पीछे मेरा चिंतन भाई है. And so Sailesh Raja, growth is important in career. In these situations, how do prioritize family and career? I think almost we've spoken about it, Sailesh ji. So it is very important to schedule it as per the client.
Balance. Yeah.
Yeah, balance the family life. So that's very important. Are being discussed. Glad listening that pros and cons of modeling are being discussed. Although I think that in today's generation, our children, our youngsters need to know that modeling is not a bad career. Okay, and
Yes.
so moving on, as a custom, what we do is we teach you something. We teach you how to drink a chai. Okay, so I want you both to take your cups. Okay,
Okay.
and I'm
Okay.
going to teach you something. This you will find only in South India. Only in South India.
Okay.
It is
Why?
specially invented by me and Chintan Bhai. Okay,
Not
yeah, it is a special
not on
invention.
plates.
चाय कैसा पीना है, नहीं प्लेट में नहीं, थाली में नहीं. That
Not
was
on
responsibility of Bhagyan ma'am.
That is the typical South Indian style,
okay.
actually.
My dear viewers, please share, please create watch parties. It's an interesting, session today. And okay, what we're going to do is first you need to smell the chai.
Mm-hmm.
But this is water.
Yeah, but no, you practice,
Huh?
practice, practice next time. Do
You
it, okay?
act as though you
Act कर दे. You're going to smell the chai, and the sound is important. Now the sound is important. Okay, you're going to drink it like me. Drink it like me.
Oh
No,
my
no, no, no.
god.
This sound.
Did you watch Bommarello
You
before
have to do
attending
this.
this
I was
show?
about to say
No,
that. I was
Did you
about
watch
to say that.
Bommarello before attending
no,
this
no, no.
show?
I didn't. I didn't. I
Yeah,
didn't. I
yeah,
didn't.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I swear I didn't. I didn't. This is. I
Okay.
started the soundtrack. It
We have
happens in
Oh,
copied from him. Bommarilo has
yeah.
copied from him.
Copy from
maybe,
Jojo.
maybe, maybe. I was born before him. So okay. So you both need to do this. You both need to do this. Please.
I'm gonna
Oh,
do it
we
with
need.
water
We
though.
had.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound.
No, I'm not getting the sound. So sorry.
I'm not getting sound too.
Okay, so that was Sada Chai. It was so fantastic to know the backstory, the actual stories of your past, and when you were a child and about your family. So moving on to the correct chai session, before which I think we will have a nice conversation for around a couple of minutes with Chintanji, who's there right. Chintanji, namaskar.
Hello,
Hi,
very good
sir.
evening.
Kem cho
Hello. Good
Chintanji?
evening.
Bas kem cho in Gujarati I can say kem cho
Acha,
Pajama
macha
cho.
mache.
majama. Okay,
Namaste.
and I would
I
like
can
to
say
say
namaste.
about Jojo first. You are an amazing show, I can say. And
Thank you.
Nandi ji and Chaitra ji, you both
Yeah.
are very talented. I listened from last 30 seconds, 30 minutes. And
Thank you.
one thing I have marked that Nandi ji is very shy. Okay, right? So I would like to ask the question to Nandi ji, ki
Okay.
Okay.
how you if after your marriage and the professional and the personal life, how you are going to manage? Because I have asked this question to each and every guest. So I did not get how. See, as a male artist, it's quite easy, but as for the female, for the good woman, it's quite difficult. So I would like to ask you if you can give answers.
No, actually, I didn't get you. Shy. I mean, how did I get into modeling? Being an introvert is what you are trying to ask.
नहीं,
Yeah,
आप ये पूछ रहे हैं कि प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और पर्सनल लाइफ बैलेंस कैसा करेंगे, आप यही
yeah.
पूछना चिंतन जी? या
Nee, I
इट्स
have
द सेम.
asked two questions. She is a very shy, as I mark her, right? So, how you in this industry? Because you know, in this industry, we have to be strict, we have to be professional, we have to say large, loud voice. So, I think since she's a very shy, and after my question, second question is that if she is the woman and she is a girl, so it's quite difficult to manage this both personal and professional life. So, how she is going to handle this?
या
Okay. Thank you for the questions. First thing, as you said, yes, I am shy, but when it comes to modeling, that is my profession. So I am see, to fulfill my dreams, I would definitely be open. Like, I want to fulfill my dream. With that desire, I would like to talk to people, and I would know what is the work that I have to do, and I will do it.
ओके
So I won't
ओके
be an introvert or just keeping it for myself. No, I will discuss what is the project that I have to do, and yes, I will do it. I won't
That's
keep
good.
it within myself.
चिंतन जी
And
चाइत्रा को भी थोड़ा चढ़ाइए.
After all, नारी शक्ति कुछ भी कर सकती है.
yeah, definitely.
And second question to चैत्रा जी. चैत्रा
Yes,
जी की
sir.
चाय मुझे थोड़ा कड़क लगा क्योंकि उनको खांसी भी बीच में आ गया, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा थोड़ा अदरक ज्यादा डाल दी.
What? I didn't get you. I didn't get
It's
you.
like as if you added ginger in your chai. You know that's why you
Chai.
started coughing. So अदरक थोड़ा ज्यादा
Oh,
डाल दी.
That is
और
not
चिंतन जी
chai.
no.
एक एक
That's
एक
one
चिंतन
No,
जी
chai.
का
you'll
एक
need, yeah, 1 second, you'll need practice to do that, yeah. Come
yeah
on.
yeah
At
that's why we
one
said no.
shot,
It was
you'll
only
just not
invented.
get it. Yeah.
चिंतन जी आप चैत्रा जी से जरा हिंदी में पूछ दीजिए.
हिंदी
Oh
में
my
बोल दो.
goodness.
हाँ
Then
हिंदी
चैत्रा जी
we
बात
को
need
करिए.
to
हिंदी में
have
पूछूं.
subtitles.
हाँ चैत्रा वापस
I
हिंदी में भी बताएंगे.
अच्छा, मैं चैत्रा
no.
जी.
I'll
चैत्रा
try my
जी.
best. I'll try my best. Yes, Ji.
ओके. चैत्रा जी, जैसे हम लोग ये मॉडलिंग लाइफ की बात करें, तो आप टॉप 3 में हो आफ्टर आप जीत जाते हो. ओके, आफ्टर विनिंग आपको 2 लाइन हिंदी में स्पीच देना हो तो आप कैसे बोलोगे?
This is a tough
Okay.
question.
आदरणीय
Okay.
अध्यापक जी.
Oh
How would
my
you?
goodness, I can't do this in Hindi.
No,
It's a
please,
little
Chai.
difficult for me.
Two lines, two lines.
Uh, you mean to say that in case if I come third in the fashion show, then
Exactly.
in the results, then later how will I thank everyone in Hindi? Correct,
Yeah.
right? Okay. सभी लोगों को मेरा धन्यवाद मुझे
Top 3 में.
टॉप
जीताने
3
के
में
लिए.
आने का बहुत खुश हो गया.
हाँ मैं टेबल
खुश
के
हो गया.
नीचे
मैं
थोड़ा
इस
पीने के
दिन
लिए रेडी हूँ, तैयार हूँ.
मैं इस दिन के लिए मैं इस दिन के लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है.
हार्डवर्क को
और
क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Shram.
प्रयत्न प्रयत्न.
प्रयत्न,
प्रयत्न
मेहनत.
is not
मेहनत.
मेहनत. Yeah,
Prayatna.
प्रयत्न is in Kannada. Okay,
But
मेहनत
very good,
करके मैं
and
yeah.
I'm very happy to see both of you, and me
Yes,
and Jojo are the, I can say we both are brother, and
yeah.
we have started
Thank you
this
for
with the
having me.
concept, and I would like to request you, please हमारा जो unsung talents show आ रहा है, so please उनको भी promote कीजिएगा और आप भी अपने personal को
Definitely.
share कीजिएगा, and yes, please carry on.
Definitely.
Superb, Chintan
Thank
ji.
you.
It's a
Superb,
very
Chintan
good
ji.
initiative.
Chintan ji, I'll request you to again
Thank
come
you.
during the rapid fire. उधर भी थोड़ा छेड़ेंगे इन लोगों को.
हाँ,
ठीक है?
जरूर.
So please.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. मैं कोरियोग्राफर हूँ ना, तो वो सब
All
पॉइंट
set.
मजा आती है.
Yeah, so just to tell you about Chintan ji, he's also a Bollywood choreographer. So we are going to
Very
connect
nice.
with him soon. Okay, yeah. So he's done lot many shows, and we will talk about him because because Chintan ji करक चाय सेशन में हम लोग एक चीज बात करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, जो साउथ इंडियंस के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किलें होते हैं हम
Yeah.
बॉलीवुड को एंटर करने के लिए, वो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करके रैपिड फायर राउंड में उनका सॉल्यूशंस दे देंगे हमारे तरफ से. Okay, thank you,
Sure.
Chintan ji. So shall I put you off for
Continue.
now?
Wish you all
Okay.
the best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Fine,
you.
doing
Thank
rapid
you.
fire. Nitin ji, we have some more
Bye,
people coming in.
guys.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So my ladies, how do you feel? You feel the heat, or it's good?
Yes.
Definitely. I am
I
feeling
see.
it.
Yes. I'm
Sushant AC there.
enjoying it actually.
Okay, fantastic. So it's so good to see you both very happily talking about this. And I feel this is a venture where we must do this. We must teach what we
Yes.
learn. Okay, so moving on to the Karak Chai session. Okay, skills and practice that we require to be a beautiful model. What all skills do we require initially, और क्या क्या practice करना पड़ेगा? What do we have to literally keep practicing every day, whether it be at house, whether it be in front of the mirror, whatever. Please give in those tiny tips that could make a huge difference in our lives. So I would like to start this with the shy girl, Nandi ji.
No,
Nandi.
actually, I'm not a shy girl. Maybe you can't judge a book by its cover. So my appearance maybe made him feel I'm a shy person.
ನೀನು book ಅಲ್ಲ
Uh,
ಕಣೆ, ನೀನ್ cover ಅಲ್ಲ.
I am just giving you an example.
Nandi, please come on, let's start.
Yeah, so in modeling, I would like to tell that first thing what we need is confidence. Whether it can be a photo shoot or a video shoot or a TVZ or a ramp walk, anything.
Okay.
Main thing what is most important is confidence. When we are not confident, we won't look beautiful, and yes, that will be portrayed the most. And yes, keeping the postures, how do we pose and how do we
Okay.
act, these homeworks has to be done, either it is professionally or home learned, but these are important.
Wow. So do you, Nandi ji, morning when you get up, morning normally when you get up, we are messy. Our hair is messy. We just got it from the bed. Even at that time, do you have this feeling of confidence and you immediately go in front of the mirror and do you do some kind of practice early morning?
It depends on how I look. If I look good, definitely I will feel confident. If I don't look good, definitely I'll comb, I'll little groom
Overconfidence
up
ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ
myself.
ನಮ್ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವರೇ. So good answer, lovely answer. Okay, now Chaitra, what about you? Do you do this,
See, for
tiny?
me, as per the experience, I would
Okay.
say for me, poses, everyday learning poses is a must for me
Mhm.
because it's just been 1 year since I'm into this industry and I don't know anything, how it works, how it goes.
Mhm.
For me, poses are very much important to be learned on daily
Okay.
basis. So
Okay.
I would say that. And when you said morning when you get up in front of the
Mhm.
mirror, I
Yeah.
don't see myself. I just comb my hair and I go. Whether it is good or not good, I'm least bothered. At the end of the day, it's my husband who is seeing me for 24/7. That's
Ah,
it. So no
that's like
worries.
a mother
If he is
speaking, yeah.
impressed, that's enough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's not the
So he
time
has
for
no
that.
choice.
No, isn't it important to carry yourself being a model when you go for shopping, when you
When
go for displays?
you
That
go for
that
shopping and all,
matters.
you
That
have to do
matters a lot.
Jojo. When in the
Yeah.
morning, if you get up, who will even bother? My husband, he's seeing
See,
me from
that is
past
part
nine
of being
years.
romantic. That's part of being romantic. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ನೀವು ಒಂಥರ ಜಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Oh,
ಹೋದ್ರೆ.
then my son is gonna ask me, Amma, are you fine? Is something
Okay.
wrong with you?
You have dressed up so much in the
Yeah.
morning.
Are you going somewhere out?
Okay.
Am I also coming along with you?
Oh
All
wow.
these questions come up.
It's
So
so funny, and but at the same time it's so challenging, no, to carry forward a
yeah.
family responsibility and also a
Yes.
professional responsibility. But it's kudos to both these
Yes.
ladies here, and for everybody, Sweet and Pinto, to advocate Gauri Shanoy, to Shweta KS. Very nice message to all married women to achieve their dreams. Fantastic. Thank you so much for this message. Ladies, I want to ask you something. Let's talk a little bit about your ramp walks and or ad shoots. How has it been? Hey, get the experience. So we will start with Chai this time. Chaitra, how was it? How was it?
Initially, when I started my first ramp walk was for Cologne Jewelry in the month of October 2018.
Okay.
So it was for Cologne Jewelry, and Nandita
Okay.
introduced me for the first time into that industry that time. So I was little worried and scared because I didn't know how to pose. And
Okay. Okay.
initially, I still remember my husband. He saw me. He saw the video, and he's like, "It looks like some James Bond is walking. Give some pose. Give some attitude." So that he's like, "It looks like you're giving some James Bond pose like this. What is this?" Then later,
Okay.
that's when I started learning. I started getting into it. And
Okay.
there's lots to learn in this industry. It's not that easy as we think. In case if you have that attitude on your face, you're the winner of the show. So it's
Wow.
like that. But I don't have that attitude though. So
Okay.
to learn
Good
that,
at
I'm
it,
still
Chaitra.
striving. I'm
Mm.
still learning. I'm still in the learning process. I won't say I'm Pandya and I'm perfect and all those stuff. I'm
Okay.
still learning and I'm enjoying it.
How did you feel when you walked in front of the CM of Karnataka, the Chief Minister of Karnataka? Was it Yediyurappa ji
Amazing.
or
That was the time. Yeah, that was the time when actually I got that confidence that I can do it. I can walk with pride, heels high,
Mm.
all those stuff. That was the first show, right? Kalan
What were
Jewelry.
you
So I
high
was a
on,
little
Chaitra?
scared.
What were you high on? Nation wants to know what were you high on?
High on heels, yeah.
High heels. High
High
heels.
on heels.
High
Okay.
heels, yeah.
High
High on
on
heels.
heels.
Okay. So who was the Chief Minister? Siddaramaiah ji or was it Yediyurappa ji?
Edurappa.
Yediyurappa.
Yediyurappa ji. So
Edurappa.
you walked there during
Edurappa
this.
ji.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow.
In
So
the
how did you feel?
morning, we had to walk in front of him. And
Okay.
in the evening, we had to walk in front of Vanita Ashok and
Ji.
everyone, all the other juries.
Other
And it
Okay.
was
celebrities.
an amazing experience. Yeah, my journey towards from Cologne Jewelry to now, I've
Okay.
come up. I've actually enjoyed every moment. I've got that
Wow.
confidence. I'm like, okay, fine. I have to do it. I will do it. You want it, you will do it. No matter
Yeah,
at any
definitely the
cost.
passion.
So
You should
do
have
you
that passion and strive.
okay? Do you have to learn the script by heart and your camera positioning? You should stay within the frame. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
When
When you
it
shoot for
comes
an ad.
For
to
the
yeah,
video
yeah,
shoots, yeah, definitely.
I'll
yeah,
get back to
yeah,
you, Nandi. Nandi,
definitely for
I'm
an ad.
going into your experiences as well. So yeah, Chai, we're going to finish with Chai now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely when it comes to ad shoots and all, that is very much required. And till now, whichever ad shoot I've done, they want it to be very casual. They
Okay.
want me to be very casual. They don't want to see that, okay, fine, you're conscious with the camera. Just forget the
Sure.
camera and just play
Mhm.
your role. That's it. So
Okay.
put your
Okay.
words across. See, just understand the line, put your words across. It's your day.
Natural
That's
Reneka,
it.
bus. Be
Yeah,
yourself.
natural Reneka. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. So
So
Nandi
that's
ji,
very much
yeah.
important.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Chaitra ji, moving on to our great Nandi. Nandi, what I always observe, what I always observe is, ये जो models होता है ना, when what they
Mhm.
keep like that, and like that,
Oh,
and
that is natural to make the
is that
hair
something
proper.
to do with okay? Is that something to do with being a model or over a practice over a period of time it happens to us or we just being conscious हमेशा हम लोग ये करते हैं तो sometimes it's very nice. Okay, so all those actions, how does it develop?
See, I'll tell you, see, being boy, you have a short haircut, but girls, it's not like that. We have a longer hair, so obviously to make
You
it
see
even
this? You see this?
Look at that.
yeah, it's a small photo. Not
You
adjustment
see
will
this?
do
I did
that.
that only because you guys are models. You see this? How I tried it? So you're not judged by a book by its cover. Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah,
So
no,
now
I'm telling you.
Oh.
so now let's
You're
continue,
not the
ma'am.
cover, you're not the book.
ನನ್ನ answer ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೇನೆ. Okay.
Durian will
Okay.
torture.
Okay. So tell me, ma'am, how do you go about that? How do you carry yourself? Yeah, your experiences during your shoots, because you've done plenty of ads. You have 4 years experience, and it's not a joke. Okay. So what was your best learning? Which was your best ad shoot, and which has been your best ramp walk? If you could explain.
Actually, ramp walks are the same for me because each time we'll be on the stage with a lot of people, crowd watching us, and
Okay.
yeah, once you wear a high heel, I feel that we get that attitude, and it's a very
Yeah.
nice feeling to walk on the stage. And coming
Okay.
to the ad shoots,
Mhm.
yes, a lot matters about the script and which
Mhm.
way we need to talk, which way we have to pose the camera.
Okay.
Many things I
Okay.
have come across.
Wow.
Each
Wow.
one has given me a different experience. I can't tell that one was the best and no,
Mhm.
one was not like that because each one
Okay.
was different in its own way. But I would like to
Okay.
mention one ramp walk.
Mhm.
It was by when this Chennai Express movie released.
Okay.
It was a contest wherein the top three winners will get a
Okay.
chance to meet Shah Rukh and Deepika.
Oh. Oh,
So I had participated in that and I won runner up, the second place. So
wow.
I went to Chennai. They took us to Chennai and we got a
Okay.
personal chat with Deepika Padukone and Shah Rukh Khan.
Fantastic.
So that
Fantastic.
is the one most memorable thing of my life that I would like to share.
Wow. So how did you feel? Did you feel like sitting with Jojo? Like how did you feel when you met Shah Rukh Khan?
It is different, obviously.
Sitting with
Okay.
Jojo.
So please,
Wow.
please tell us the experience. Please tell us the experience.
See,
We have you
actually,
do you guys watch? Have you guys heard of the serial Shivaji Chhatrapati, which comes in
Yes.
CTV, I believe. And the Shiv character. So he's there. Shiv is there. He's selling good session. He's commented as well. So he's going to be on our show next week. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Soon you girls have to go to Bollywood as well. So that's my
that's
intention
Bollywood
as
is
well.
too much true.
Yeah. So when we have a lot of colors to support, could happen. Yeah. So, ma'am, yeah, you were saying. You were
Yeah,
saying something.
yeah. Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone were
Yeah.
just opposite the way I had thought of, because both were
Hmm.
just too down to earth, too down to earth.
Wow.
Because when I wanted a selfie with Shah Rukh, but what
Hmm.
happened was the people around him were not letting others to click pictures. But he's like,
Hmm.
wait, that lady wants a picture with me. I'm gonna click it. Why are you stopping? So he came near
Okay.
me. He took my phone and he clicked the
Okay.
picture with me. I was
Wow.
flattered there only.
I
But
know.
later on, Deepika Padukone called my daughter. She was some 4 or 5 years that time. She carried
Okay.
her and then
Okay.
she kissed her and then she said
Uh,
all the best to both of us.
did
So
Shahrukh ji give
my
you a nice kiss? A nice hug and a kiss? No.
no, 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 just a selfie.
According to you,
Hmm.
Nandi, who is the best designer in Karnataka, and which is the best agency? If
Best
somebody wants to, if somebody wants to go
see
into modeling.
I have many designer friends. So if I
Okay.
mention one, definitely I'll get calls tomorrow telling that how come you didn't mention my name.
Mention
So
it's true, true. It won't be right. Yeah. It won't be
because there
right.
are many, many, many good designers. But
Hmm.
coming to agency, there are many couple of agencies which are really good. I can
Hmm.
say Trend Ad Films,
Okay.
they and Page Three Artist. They all
Okay.
do
Okay.
very genuine,
Hmm.
projects.
Shoots.
Actually,
Yeah.
Okay.
they take up shoots in Delhi, Bombay with Bollywood
Hmm.
actors, and also the Karnataka shoots they take up. So they are really good
Wow.
firms.
What do you feel, Chaitra, about this? It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same. As I
There's
haven't
no
come
particular
across
choice for you.
many, no, as I haven't come across many designers yet. It's just been 1 year hard. I think I've just walked for some 4 to 5 designers, and
Hmm.
I feel all are good in their own ways. Each
Okay.
one is unique, each one is different, and
Okay.
the way you, at the end, the way you wear them and carry all matters. That's it.
Okay.
So
Okay. So
everyone are good. Everyone are good.
okay. So now we're going to soon move on to the masala chai segment. Believe me, when you talk to beautiful girls, you never realize how time flies. It's already
Yeah,
40,
I know.
45
Deepika.
minutes past.
I know.
And it's so crazy because your eyes, Nandi, and chai,
Nandi.
your aura that you create, and the way you've dressed up today. ನನ್ನ time martogbite.
I know you're trying to flatter us. We are flattered.
I have been flattered from Pessit College, Joe, so don't even try.
Oh yeah,
Thank
so coming to the masala chai segment, that's exactly what I want to ask. Okay, so how has your college life been? Were you the same kind of an attitude female, carrying a positive attitude, or how has it been, Nandi, for you first, and then we'll talk about chai because I almost know about chai. So Nandi, what about you? In college, did you carry the same kind of a discipline?
Yeah, I was a very good student. I was
Hmm?
not ragging anyone and I was
Hmm?
very decent. And yeah, I
Okay.
was a very good girl overall. But coming to
Oh,
modeling, can you guess what age did I start modeling?
16?
Since 4 years, I took it as a profession.
Okay.
But I started my modeling when I was 15.
15. So I was right. I said 16.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, almost. So
Hmm.
since I was the choreographer in my school fashion shows as well. So since
Wow.
then it started, and then in the degree college I came to your college, Pesit,
Wow.
and there I won
Wow.
the Miss Vista contest.
Okay. That's so
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. And what about you, Chai? in college?
Me, though, you
Did
have
you
seen
ever
in
think, did you
college.
ever imagine that you would get into this kind of an industry?
No, not at all. Not even
Yeah.
little. I don't
Wow.
know. In college, though, I was totally different. As I've
Okay.
already told, I was a very silent and not talking much. But
Okay.
second year degree, third year degree, I changed little, but I didn't expect that I'll go up to this level of this level in life, though. But that's it.
Being
I was
mothers,
very
being mothers,
silent.
both of you being mothers, okay, how, I understand you balance well, but do you balance it so well that you both can cook well?
I am a good cook, and Chaitra is the good baker as well. So it's a wrong
Wow.
question for both of us.
Wow. Yeah, when you just said that, Chaitra ji, can you explain more about your Choco Dainty? So that's your
Yeah.
brand, is what I know. So can you
Yes.
talk to me, how did it start and where do you stand now?
Okay, Choco Dandy started in the year 2016. And for my son's birthday, actually, just as a giveaway gifts, I prepared chocolates and I gave it as a giveaway gifts. That's when
Okay.
people started asking me, "Are you starting a new venture? Do you take orders?" That's when my journey for Choco Dandy began.
Hmm.
And Choco Dandy means delicious chocolate.
Ah,
So delicious chocolates. So that's the
Dandy, you
name of
get
my
me.
farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I was thinking.
Dandy, you get me. In public, we can't
I
speak.
Yeah.
got
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Okay.
Take it offline, okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's how the name Choco Dainty came into existence. So my
Okay.
journey when it comes to Choco Dainty, every year is like a learning period for me. Initially, I just took it like, okay, fine, how many ever orders I get, okay, fine, I'm just chilled, I'm cool. I didn't want to take it up as my profession where I'll get into completely into that. So
Okay.
it started like that, and
Okay.
then later I joined Bship. It's one of the
Mhm.
networking companies. It's one of the networking sites. So where
Okay.
people they all meet every week and they exchange business with each other. So Bship
Wow.
has been an amazing platform for me. That's where my motivation for creating new things in chocolates began.
Wow.
So
So,
there have been a very big push for me. So
wow.
when it comes to my team, that is Bishop Ashoka, everyone are
Okay.
motivating. I
Wow.
just can't say this person is more, that person. Everyone, each and every one, they are like a family member for me
So
there.
it is just chocolates or
So
is it cakes and what are
we
your
are into
products like?
chocolates, cheesecakes, pies,
Mm.
jar desserts,
Wow.
and all those stuff. So yeah.
So when am I going
So
to
we
get
are.
my package?
I
Mine
know.
and Chintan bhai.
She's
When are
not
you going
sent
to?
it to you, though.
When are you going to come home?
Oh,
When
okay.
are
So
you
how do you
coming home?
buy these products? Do you have a website to
Uh,
visit and order
yeah.
online, or how do you?
On Facebook, my page is mentioned as Choco Dainty, CHOCODAINTY. And when
Mhm.
it comes to Instagram, it is underscore Choco Dainty. And you can order through messaging on Choco Dainty page, or else
Mhm.
you can just if you leave a message on Choco Dainty page, we'll revert back
You'll get back to
immediately.
us. Thank
Yes,
you so much,
yes.
Chai. It's so good to know that we can have chocolates now directly from a model who's Chaitra
Yes.
Ramakrishna. तो सब मेरे नॉर्थ
Yes.
इंडियंस व्यूअर्स के लिए अगर चॉकलेट या केक्स या बहुत मजेदार प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए तो स्पेशली विद चॉकलेट्स प्लीज कांटेक्ट चैत्रा रामकृष्ण एंड we're going to put in links. Okay, we're also going to put these links on our YouTube channel as well. And there's also a comment saying thanks for introducing Bship. Coming to Nandi. Nandi, I heard that you also have a very personalized kind of a gifting platform, and I
Yeah.
understand that both of you, try to convince and flatter people with your products apart from your good looks. So, can you talk to me about your wonderful
I
platform,
would like to say something about Nandi's product.
please?
Just 2 weeks back, she gave me a bag with my
Hmm.
name customized on it. It was very
Wow.
classy and very trendy. Actually, everyone, you should actually just go to her site and just see
Oh,
how
Thank you so
creative
much.
and different, and everything is very
oh.
nice. Love
So
customized by Nandita is
it's
superb.
more like a customizable product that you have, or what
Yeah,
is it? Can you please
yeah.
explain?
Yeah, so this is, I've started this some maybe 5 years before. Since modeling was not like back to back projects for us, it's like
Okay.
freelancing. The free time what I have to spend was sitting idle was not my choice.
Okay.
Since I was good in art and craft, I
Okay.
thought, why can't I take it up as a profession? So I started a page in Facebook. It's called as
Yeah.
Love Customized by Nandita.
Love
I
customized by Nandita. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ನಂದಿತಾ ಅಂತ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
yeah,
ಹೌದಾ?
it is basically for any requirements of customization. Because what
Okay.
I got to know is we get products whatever we
Mhm.
want, we can get products, but personalized products is very difficult, not an easy option to get. So that
Great.
was my intention to order, to get anything personalized. That is how
Wow.
I started this. And yeah, with followers of 4,000 today, I am happy that people are liking the
Fantastic.
product.
Fantastic. Beautiful. So we're going to have all these links. It's going to be amazing to have Choco Dainty, and it's going to be Choco Dainty, yeah. And it's going to be amazing
Chocolate.
to have our personalized. So when are you sending me a personalized whatever you can send?
Definitely, very soon.
Very soon with the Choco Dainty thing. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. With the
Seema
hamper as well.
we
With
have
the
Seema
hamper
Hegde
as well.
who's commented as well. Awesome, Joe. Thank you so much, Seema Akka. Please, all of you share. We have thanks for introducing B Ship. That's a fantastic thing. And Chai, don't worry. Even if calls come, just you just have to not receive it. You're absolutely seen amazing on screen. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Do you guys really miss your college life?
Do you guys
I will
really
miss college life.
miss? Okay.
Miss college life.
Tell me about it, Nandy. Like, what do you miss
I
the most?
miss college.
Yeah.
Obviously, roaming around, hanging around. We used to
Nah.
bunk
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ
classes.
ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಮಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಡ್ಡಾಗ ಹೋಗೋದು
Chilling around.
Hello, sir.
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ
Though we were
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು.
roaming around so much, I'm a college topper in my second PU, and in
Sure.
degree I was a distinction holder. So
That,
ಎಷ್ಟೇ
that
ರೋಮ್
is because
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
you had more
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
exposure by
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
roaming. That is because you had more
See,
exposure and experience by roaming
see,
around. See, it's
at the
practical.
end result is matter important, right? We were roaming also,
Okay.
we were studying also.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ಗುರುವೆ.
Thank you. Thank
See,
you,
ಅಂತ
thank you.
question ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. So, what about Chai? Do you miss your college life?
Yeah, I do miss because I was not roaming around a lot. I was
Okay.
from home to college, college to home. But I still
Okay.
remember once I bunked everything and you guys took me somewhere out and without my mom's knowledge. Juju, I'll call you
Auntie,
after the
I hope
show.
you're watching.
Yeah.
Never was that.
So I still remember that. I think that was the first where Deepthi and all other college friends, they motivated me and they pulled me and they went across to some resort. It was fun. So that was
So good,
the
so
I was
good,
not
so
roaming
good.
much. Yeah.
Nandi, you met Deepika Padukone ji, you met Shah Rukh Khan ji, okay, and Chai, you've met so many clients, so many good brands. Did you
Hmm.
both ever think that you would be sitting at Chillax with Joe's Chai with Jojo?
I wanted to tell something about this.
Hmm.
In spite of doing so many ads and
Hmm.
shoots, whatever it is, talking to you like this on an interview on a FB Live platform is really giving me a rewind of whatever I've done in my life. And I feel
Wow.
that, yes, I have done something, and thanks to you for that. Thank
Wow,
you so much.
you can flatter just like me anybody.
No, 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 I mean it. I really mean it.
Thank you so much, Nandi ji, and thanks, for looking at my eyes with those beautiful eyes and telling me that. Okay, all the best for your career ahead. And yeah, Chaitra ji, did you ever think that you would be sitting with this guy?
No, actually, no. I never
Ah,
thought I'll be sitting with you here. But first time when I saw your show on FB, I
okay,
immediately messaged Nandi. Nandi, Jojo is doing something when it comes to FB Live. So shall I
okay,
talk to Jojo once? Though that's when I
okay,
immediately messaged you and I asked, Jojo, what is this
okay.
all about? And that's how the conversation began. And I'm very happy to be here today.
Yeah.
Initially, I
Great.
was a little scared. I was nervous, but now, so
I told you,
nothing.
मैं हूं ना. When Jojo is there, nobody is nervous.
Yeah, आप है ना.
So
You're
another thing,
always
Chai.
there for me, Jojo. Huh.
Another thing, Chai and Nandi, there's a comment from Shweta KS saying both Nandi and Chaitra are amazing entertainers in all fields, and I take Nandi as my role model. Wow.
Yeah.
So you have a
Thank you
big
so
fan.
much,
And
Shweta.
Chaitra is fun-loving person, kind-hearted, and also a good mentor.
Thank you
So that is
so much,
Thank
Shweta.
you.
so just hearing to that, I would like to ask you both. two lines or three line sentences as to what would you like to tell to the aspiring models of today जो आजकल बहुत aspire करते हैं model बनने के लिए. So what is your message? आपका message क्या होगा सबके लिए, starting with Chai?
Okay, my message would be balance both work and your modeling thing, your work and your life. And
Okay.
the second thing would be if you want to attain something in life, achieve something in life, go for it. Don't think for a second thought. Don't think about what people talk about you. Just keep that aside and just go forward. Focus on your goal. At the end, no, you're going to achieve it. And people, those who spoke about you, are going to come back to you. So don't
Papa,
keep everything aside. Keep everything
beautiful.
aside. Focus on your goals.
ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ
No,
ಬಿಸಾಕಿ
he's in the flow, okay? So please don't disturb us.
Lovely. Right, please
Yeah,
continue.
I know. I was
जो भी
actually in the flow. You cut my
जो भी
flow
viewers
now.
देख रहे हैं, ये जो मैसेज है एक अंदर का एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है हर आदमी का, वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन बिल्कुल निकाल के बाहर फेंक दिया है अभी हमारा चाय जी ने. तो चाय जी, yeah, tell us. You're absolutely
Yeah.
right. Please do not think what people certify.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
never be certified because we
This
don't
is
need.
what my husband always tells me, see, being into this modeling industry, anyone can talk about me. So my husband tells one thing: you're interested, you're passionate about it, go for it. Don't give a second sound or thought for the other person's reviews. It is not required for you. If it is positive, take it. If it is negative, accept it and move forward. That's it.
Salute to a husband like you, like yours.
Yeah.
Really, really.
Yeah.
Nandi,
He's
what about
been
you,
very
Nandi? आपका
motivating.
message
Yeah.
क्या है? What is your message, Nandi?
Yeah, as Chaitra said, please don't give prominence to what other people think about you, because people will talk even if you do. People will talk
Even
even
if
if
you
you
do.
don't do.
Yeah.
If you're just sitting at home, they'll tell you're just sitting at home. If you do something, they'll again talk about it. So people who wish good for you will wish any day good. People who doesn't want to wish, definitely they'll talk. So
And God bless you.
High
people
five,
have a
Nandi.
dream,
High
fulfill
five.
it.
High five.
Seriously,
High
yeah,
five.
yeah,
Good one.
yeah. That's fantastic. So one more thing, this is a very private and a personal question when it comes to ladies. Okay, I really want to understand this. Let's talk about getting your body waxed. Okay, so is that really an important culture when it comes to us Indians and being part of the modeling industry? Waxing kabhi bhi important hota hai, ya can be managed without it? What is your outlook? And especially to the girls who are watching this, who are going to watch this, okay, what do you think? Waxing bilkul zarurat hai ya ki it's their choice?
See,
I
it's
would say
actually
it's their
personal
choice.
choice.
Let's
Yeah.
go with Nandi. Let's go with Nandi first. Tell me, Nandi.
Since it is like something like wherein people were doing it before and we need to follow it, it's not like that. Since it's we are comfortable in it, definitely being feminism, obviously to get waxing is a better option. You feel confident, you feel you look beautiful. So it's not like something like we are mandatory follow it. Yes, if you like it, go for it. Otherwise, it's a no. It's definitely
What
personal choice.
one advantage of waxing yourself, one disadvantage of waxing yourself as a model?
Disadvantage is definitely it's painful.
Mm.
Advantage is that you look well
You
groomed.
won't believe this. एक दिन मैं भी गया वैक्सिंग करने के लिए, and the song that was playing was Adat by Atif Aslam. Okay, my wife went to get her hair colored and a few things and all that. I said I'm just going to cut my hair and went into the waxing room. I wanted to experience it. The first the wax thing that they pull out. Oh God, I just shouted my heavens out. It was
You would
so
have felt
painful.
running back better.
Not even turning back. I was into other song, very romantic song, and in the end, I mean, I forgot which language was it. It was that painful. So how do you models take it when you wax?
It's not only about models. Every girl will go through it because, yeah, as the world has been set as a feminism characters. It's
Correct,
not just that
correct.
we need to follow, but yeah, to look better. That's the option.
Wow, wow. Chaitra, what about your viewpoint on it?
I would also say the same. It's all your choice. It's not that you have to get it done. So, in case if you get it done, you're well groomed.
Okay,
If you can't get it done, carry it in a way that people don't notice it.
well said. Yeah,
I would say that.
actually, yeah,
Yeah,
really,
yeah.
that's very nice. See, for
If you,
example, for example, you know how we guys, I think most of the guys do, I don't know, it's just a secret. So what we do is we don't do waxing. Most of them don't. I mean, the models would, you know, people who are actually carrying their body out would. But मैं क्या करता हूँ, you know, I can keep myself, you know, very carryable, right? You know, this frame. जो भी frame कैमरा में आता है, तुम लोग क्यों रखो? बाकी जंगल की तरह रखो, परवाह नहीं करेगा।
True, you never know.
But at the end of the day, the aspiring models, the message received is it's your choice. Do not get certified by the comments of public. They will give you the gratitude and due respect when you become big. There is no option for them left.
Definitely.
And at the end of the day, please be presentable. I think that's the secret of a
Yes.
model. That both of them have, you know, jointly said. So thank you so much. That was our beautiful, masala chai segment. Now we are moving to the tandoor chai segment, which is not exactly a rapid fire, but we're going to have some good questions where you need to give us some quick answers. For which I'm also going to invite Chintanji and Vishal. Vishal, if you're still watching us on live, I had sent you the link. All that you have to do is click the link and enter our broadcast studio. If you can come in, and you know, it's going to be a great time to just get back some memories. Okay, and with yeah, Chintanji, welcome back,
Hello.
Chintanji.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Okay, Chintanji, now what we're going to do is I'm going to ask the first rapid fire question. देखेंगे कि ये लोग कैसा है अंदर से, अंदर की बात निकालेंगे.
I have
Okay.
also two questions for them.
Yeah, that's exactly why I called you. Okay,
So
Nandi,
Chintanji is back with a bang.
Chintanji is like
He's
Oh,
back
so-
with a bang.
he's also back with the bang
These
now.
all
Let's
fresh
come back again with the
questions.
bang now. Okay, Nandi, your first question. Tell me honestly, touch your heart and say, do you love, did you ever love single life better or married life better?
Single life?
Touch your heart and mangle. My
That's
daughter is what I said.
a lot of responsibilities. But yeah,
Yeah.
both
What
have
do you like?
advantages and disadvantages.
What do you like?
Huh? Sorry?
What do you like more? Single
Right
life or
now,
married life?
since 14 years, I've got used to married
No,
life.
no diplomatic answer.
Yeah.
Choose one. Choose one.
Uh,
Single life.
oh,
Your
uh,
heart
right.
says single life,
Okay,
but
okay.
your mouth is saying married.
Okay. Right now, I feel married life is good because I feel complete.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about you, Chaitra? Single or married?
Both, yeah. That's
ना-
single
तो
also
आप
and
चिंतन
married
जी
also.
देख चिंतन आजकल के लड़की लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं मॉडल्स लोग
Only
दोनों
one.
अच्छा
Only
लगता
one
है
side.
सिंगल लाइफ भी अच्छा लगता है मैरिड लाइफ भी अच्छा लगता है चिंतन जी क्या हो
Okay,
गया
see,
हमारे
single life.
चिंतन जी कैन यू हियर चिंतन जी कैन यू हियर
Yeah. I'm hearing. Yeah.
Okay. So, Chintan ji, we had a mutual friend in PES college. चैत्रा जी और मेरे को एक म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड था इस फ्रेंड को भी हम बहुत खेलते थे बट इंसान ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पर्सन whom we can meet. He is a marketing guru. He's a lovely person on stage. उसका नाम है विशाल तो वो भी आने वाले हैं online. Okay, so I'm going to call him to finish off this wonderful session. Nandi, next time we're going to have you again coming in between like this because we love the both of you. आप दोनों बहुत supportive है, both of you have been supportive. So that is Vishal for us, ladies and gentlemen. Chaitra, do you remember him? Do you
Of course
remember
I
him?
do. I met him 2 weeks back. He had come near
Oh.
my house. I met him 2 weeks back.
Vishal, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great.
I'm doing good, Joe, and lovely to see all the guests and speakers on the show doing good and sharing wonderful thoughts here.
विशाल चिंतन जी के लिए एक थोड़ा हिंदी में कन्वर्सेशन
जरूर जरूर तो आदरणीय चिंतन जी को मेरा प्रणाम ये जो आप चिलैक विद जोश चाय का सेशन कॉन्सेप्चुलाइज किए हैं ये बहुत नेक तरीके से शो को फेसबुक लाइव के जरिए आपने इसको सामने लेकर रखे हैं इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूं और यही शो आप दूसरे माध्यमों में भी अगर हो सके तो शायद चाहिए तो वो ट्विटर हो या यूट्यूब में हो अगर दूसरे माध्यमों में दूसरे गेस्ट्स को बुला के आप इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे तो इसका रीच और इसका पॉपुलैरिटी और ज्यादा बढ़ेगा करके मेरा एक सोच है तो इसके बारे में आप सोचिएगा ठीक है
और विशाल ये सब तब होगा जब आपके तरह लोग आपका आप लोग दुआ करें और आपका प्यार दिखे, and start sharing all this, and that's when we're really going to make the show successful. It's all your love,
जरूर
and especially with lovely eyes like Nandi and lovely personality and aura like Chaitra, ये show तो hit होना ही है भाई. What do you
जरूर
say?
जरूर of course.
Vishal ji, a quick question. Uh, could you fire in a quick question to Nandi and Chaitra?
All right. So, Jaitra and Nandi, since I've been watching this show, it's really glad that you people have been talking about modeling, pros and cons of modeling, working mothers as models. Yeah. And Joe has covered a lot of questions out there. This one is something different. ये हटके रहेगा. You know, what if like any other mm, kids suddenly come and say auntie or mummy? Do you get offended like the Santur mummies?
No, I don't. This is a good one.
No, no, we
So,
don't feel any offended.
Yeah. We actually
Imagine,
feel happy and
Nandi auntie,
nice.
Nandi auntie, मुझे chocolate चाहिए. And Nandi will be like, I'm a model, stupid bete.
A kid calling is okay, Joe, not you.
We will be surprised, Joe, in fact.
So initially, when when my son Smaran, okay, when I used to meet his classmates and all, initially they used to call me auntie, auntie. After the second meet, they started calling me akka. I'm like, huh? Look at that! Look at that!
Auntie से अक्का.
चिंतन जी, अक्का
Auntie
मतलब
से अक्का.
कन्नड़ा में अक्का का
I know.
मतलब होता है दीदी.
Yeah, sister.
दीदी.
Yeah, Didi.
Okay, now Chintan ji,
So-
a quick question of yours. आपका question Nandi और Chaitra के लिए.
My first question to Chaitra ji, a rapid fire question. If you have a good chance to work together and you have to select only one, Nagarjun or Prabhas? Only one.
Oh,
If you have a paper and you have to write down the one name only, I have given you options. There is no
Nandi will
choice.
tell both. Nandi will tell both Chintan ji. बहुत smart है.
Yeah.
even I would say
Definitely.
both, yeah. Come on,
Definitely,
I
who would
say
want
These-
both.
to
that's
lose
why
a
I'm giving
chance
you these
to be
options.
with them?
Even I
It's
would
rapid
choose
fire.
both.
Give one only, please.
Chaitra only one answer. Nandi only one answer. Come on.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
Chaitra, go ahead. I can answer.
Chaitra, your time
Answer,
starts now.
Nandi,
5,
come on.
4, 3,
No,
2,
Nandi ji, I have a one question for you.
Okay, okay,
Chaitra
done.
ji,
It's
please.
Chaitra's
Rapid
question.
fire.
Go
1,
ahead.
2, 3, fast.
Okay, I'll go with Prabhas.
Prabhas, fine.
Yeah.
Good. Honest. And
Karan
Nandi
Karan
ji,
and Balsa, one of your viewers, sorry, Chintan ji, Karan and Balsa says both of them are over 6 feet. Both of them are over 6 feet. So
okay.
better choose rightly. Better choose
Yeah.
rightly.
Tall guys and short girls make a great pair. So it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Karan and
You know,
Balsa,
opposite- Wait.
Devya.
Opposite poles attract each other, We both are
Acha.
opposite poles, so we attract each other. And that's
Yeah.
going to be a rocking show if that
And
happens.
एक जो
yeah,
comment आया है प्रभास को select करेगा, एक राकेश जी ने बोला है, राकेश my buddy. Yeah, चिंतन जी आपका question खत्म कीजिए.
yeah, they both are very talented. So it's a rapid fire. So don't to worry. We salute them. Nandi ji, you have a one question. Chiranjeevi or Mahesh Babu?
How can I answer this question?
Now give the answer.
Oh my God.
Now
I
give
think she
the answer.
Mahesh Babu. पक्का.
Okay.
No, she'll go with
obviously,
Chiranjeevi.
No, I will tell Mahesh Babu.
Nandi, no!
मैं already connect हो
No.
चुका हूँ. नैंडी के साथ connect हो चुका हूँ. मेरे को समझ में आई.
But that I like most. You have just choose one. That is a rapid fire. Yeah, Jojo, over to you.
Yeah, Vishal ji, one quick question again from your side.
Okay. Given a chance to walk the ramp, yeah, who would be that one personality that you people would like to choose to walk the ramp
With
with you people? Who is that personality whom you would choose to walk the ramp?
Apart from Jojo, कौन सा personality को आप choose करेंगे?
Jojo is in the
Ramp
dreamland.
walk करेंगे.
I would say my husband and my son.
That's really sweet. That's really sweet.
Society is in the right path.
Yeah.
Nandi, what about you? Husband of Jojo को छोड़ के आप किसको select करेंगे एक ramp walk के लिए?
I have walked the ramp with my daughter many times. So,
Okay.
not my daughter. And I walked the
Okay.
ramp with my husband twice. So, other
Okay.
than that, I would like to walk with Hrithik Roshan. I'm a very big
अरे
fan
वाह,
of him.
what a choice. Very nice. चिंतन जी, रिक्वेस्ट जरा सुन
Yeah.
लीजिए. हम
Yeah,
आगे
please.
सुन लिया.
कुछ सोचेंगे इनके बारे में. ऋतिक
ऋतिक
रोशन
जी
जी
के साथ काम करेंगे
Please
तो
make
पहले
us
I will
visual.
call to Nandi ji to please
Ah.
join us.
That would be so nice.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. Magic is gonna happen through this show. I
Wow.
really
Yeah, and
believe that. I
definitely
really do.
Jojo, Vishal ji, Nandi ji, Chaitra ji, and all the guests, those who have came and those who are going to come. Really, this show will do something magic. I am sure. So I
Really,
request
I,
to
That's
each and
great.
everyone, please
That's so sweet.
promote these shows and please, yeah.
yeah. So now I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
ask you
जरूर
one question.
चिंतन जी जरूर.
Which superhero would you choose, or do you have any particular powers that you would like to have in your future? Which superhero would you choose if you had to choose
Okay.
one, or would you invent a new superhero, and what would that be?
Superhero, like I like all the
Like
superhero
he can be
characters.
visible, he can be invisible, he can be wearing pant inside and the other thing outside.
Okay, you can't
However-
say Jojo, Nandi.
No, no, not Jojo.
I'm
Even
going
you
to tell
forgot to
your
mention that.
answer, Jojo. Don't tell Jojo. Apart from Jojo, someone else.
Yeah, he forgot to tell that.
Yeah. So I completed his question.
Yeah. Please, Nandi, your answer, please.
I would design a superhero who can do magic of fulfilling all our dreams.
Yes.
So I
Genie,
would
you
like
mean
to
genie?
go to-
Genie kind. Yeah.
Exactly.
Genie.
No, Genie.
Okay.
Genie has a restriction of only 3 wishes, right?
Correct.
So this is a recreation of Genie. A second wish.
Okay. And she
Version
says she's happy,
2.2.
and she says she's very happy now.
I'm happy. I can be even more happy is what I meant.
Okay, Saitra, what about you? If you had to choose one.
I would go with a creation of a superhero where no one undergoes any kind of a struggle in life and everyone are just going to be happy and there's no poverty line anywhere across, and that kind of a superhero I would like to suggest.
Wow, that's good. I mean,
Because everyone are going to be the same, everyone are going to be equal in everyone's eyes.
Right now,
you're
we need a
almost
superhero.
inviting God down to come and rule.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jojo,
Mother Teresa
we need a
figure. Mother Teresa
superhero.
figure.
Mother Teresa thing. I know, really. And if at all, Chintan Bhai and a lot of friends from North India were to come to Karnataka, Nandi ji, where would you take them first? Okay, and which is that special place that you would like them to visit from Karnataka?
I would like to take them to Mysore, my hometown. It is a place with lot of things to see. It will show you the actual side of Karnataka, the South India.
Okay.
Palaces, city of palaces. It's a beautiful place.
मेरे हर नॉर्थ इंडियन व्यूअर्स के लिए आपको ऑलरेडी इनविटेशन मिल चुका है मैसूर विजिट करने के लिए, पूरा फ्रॉम एयरपोर्ट टू बैक ड्रॉप, पूरा स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय नैंडी जी. और आपको
I never mentioned sponsoring. I just
कुछ
said I
भी
need
दिक्कत
a
लेने का
guide.
नहीं है. नैंडी जी खुला इनविटेशन दिया है, और स्पेशली चिंतन भाई को जी आपका
Oh,
इनविटेशन हो चुका
for this team, I'm gonna sponsor it. No problem.
है.
Then I'm in for
So
it,
sweet of you,
Nandi.
Nandi.
I'm in for it.
Chai, what about you? Chai,
I'm
if
in
you
for
wanted to
it.
invite any North Indian to our South India, especially in Karnataka, which place would that be?
I would like to tell them to shift to Karnataka, in fact, because everything, each and every corner, everything is beautiful in Bangalore, Karnataka. So I can't say this is good, that is not good. I would say the whole city is beautiful.
Okay, we'll
So
go
they
with
have to shift back.
Okay, we'll go with last two questions. One question from Vishal and one question from Chintanji. Last two questions to both these great personalities. I think Chintanji should start first, being our elder.
Okay, जोजो जी, as you know and as all guests are know कि this show हमने इसीलिए चालू किया है कि not for the fun, not for the मस्ती, but ये show एक brand बन चुका है right nowadays, as all the knows, right? So I would like to ask Nandi ji and Chaitra ji both. I would like to just your abhivyakti, that's mean your thoughts about the nepotism, because we both are, we three of, or each and everyone are from the, you know, you are from the south industry, we are from the Bollywood or Telugu industry, कि अगर हमारे फ्रेंड के साथ होगा या कभी होएगा या होता रहता है, can you stand for that? Actually we
It
have
is
to.
really a very big problem now, right now, after knowing in depth what is happening. It is
Mhm.
really sad. I can feel the pain what one is feeling when they are cornered, when they don't have support,
Yeah.
when they are facing the problems.
Mhm.
I just put myself in their position and I thought it is very difficult to take. So my request to people is, please try to support each and every individual who has talent, not just seeing their background.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
very.
That is
Don't
my
push them down.
Chaitra,
Don't.
you can continue on that. You can continue on that.
Yeah, I would say don't push them down. Just motivate them. If you don't want to motivate, stay silent. But
Oh,
don't put anyone down for whatever they have. Let
thank
them
you, Chintan ji, for
show
this
it. Let
wonderful
them
question.
overcome.
Wonderful question.
Yeah.
So as rightly said by both, and बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक करके हमारा एडवोकेट बीना जी लिखा है, उधर मेंशन किया है. Thank you so much. और विशाल जी, विशाल, my brother, one of your last questions to
Yes.
both the personalities that we have, the eyes and the aura.
Well, for me, I'll just keep it light because I'm sure that Chintanji asked a very valid and very relevant question. Now, this would be something for the working models and mothers here. What would be the cause that each one of the working modeling mothers should choose to support society and to support a good cause in themselves, in their
Eh,
schedules?
can you repeat the question? It's actually breaking.
Can you repeat the question,
Am
Vishal?
I audible?
Now
Yeah.
you're audible. Yeah.
Now you're audible.
Great,
Yeah.
great. Sure. So, what I'm asking is, what would be that one cause which working models, working modeling mothers should choose or should support to make sure they contribute towards the society in a positive way?
Okay, basically the question is how you could contribute to the society in a positive way. And so what
Right.
should be chosen? Is that right? What should be chosen is what
Correct.
you're asking, Vishal? Okay.
Correct.
Basically, being a model,
Hmm.
definitely we would reach out to more people, either in the form
Hmm.
of social media, or it can be the brands that we do, or anything, any such way.
Okay.
What
Hmm.
happens is when there is a need of something, just I'm giving you an example wherein someone needs a blood or some plasma count or anything. When we
Okay.
can socialize, when we can put it in our network, like maybe a Facebook post or an Insta post, when it can
Hmm.
reach more people, definitely it's gonna help many people in that way. So
Bilkul.
definitely being a model, when someone needs an help, to publish it, to give a shout out from our side, is what we can contribute, as I feel.
Wow, rightly said.
And
Rightly
even
said.
when it comes to
Wonderful.
charity as well.
Okay, Chaitra,
When
please,
it
please
comes to
elaborate on it.
Yeah, when it comes to charity as well. So
Mhm.
being models and achieving so many things, we can contribute little towards charity as well.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. Thank you
Philanthropy.
so much, Vishal, my brother. Thank you so much, Chintan ji, my pillar. And thank you to two most beautiful ladies I've met. Yeah, Chintan ji wants to say something. Yeah. Yeah.
I would like to ask each and everyone. Just recently, I have just thinking about that. Okay, if Jojo is a director, if in a lead actress and Andy and Chaitra ji is there, Vishal is producer. I am a choreographer. Who will be the actor?
Obviously, you people
Our
will be choosing
respective
the
husband,
actor, right?
But whom you want? Whom you want?
Whom do you want? It could be from North
anyone
India,
should
South
be
India,
good.
anybody.
Anyone
Director is
should be good.
asking. But as per your choice.
Anyone should be good.
Okay,
Because
fine.
everyone are talented in one or the other ways.
Wow.
So
Definitely.
anyone should be good.
You should start a party,
Yeah.
Chaitra. What diplomatic है.
Exactly. Okay,
And
but
what
it
about
is a very nice session. Enjoy a lot, and really, it is a very very good.
Thank you, thank you,
to
Chintanji.
meet you so
Chaitra
much.
ji,
Very
Vishal
nice
ji.
to talk to you
And
both.
I would like to thank Chintanji and Jojo for this session.
Chaitra,
And it's an act.
yeah, Chaitra, no, no, wait. I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. I'm coming to
Okay.
that. I'm going to
Okay.
ask you to speak
The
about
word
that.
of thanks is still
Before
yet
which,
to be done.
Yeah, Vishalji, no, we're almost done. We're done. We're done. We have to wrap up
Okay.
this because it's been 1.5 hours. My God, Nandi is
Oh
showing
my
that eyes
Right.
like, "Arey, band karo yaar." You gave me only 1 hour's time. Vishal, Vishal,
Yes.
in Kannada, since you are a Kannadiga, please, if you can tell few words about the show, and if you can please ask your viewers, yeah, because I really want you all to share this particular session after we sign off. So in that, I want all of you to hear your viewpoint as well. Vishal, please start.
ಶೋರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಜೋಜೋ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಾಡೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಾಯಂದಿರು ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂದೇಶ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುರ್ತಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರುವಂತ ನ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ
Thank you.
ಜನರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನವನ್ನು. ಸೊ
Wow.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ.
Thank you so much. Nandi, what's your say on this show? A couple of words, and please ask your viewers to motivate us, please.
Yeah, it's a very good experience talking to Joe
Last
and
one, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್
Chintan.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Okay.
ಮೈಸೂರು
ತುಂಬಾ
ಹುಡುಗಿ,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಚೈತ್ರನ ಈ ಶೋಗೆ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವೇ? ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವೇ? And we have Sailesh Raja saying good and informative show, well done, and good luck to Joe, Chaitra, and Nandi. Thank you so much, Sailesh avare. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. And Chaitra, your last few words about the show, about how we could become better, and your motivation to your viewers.
Yeah. So, firstly, I would like to thank Chintanji and Jojo for this concept. And it is an amazing concept where you get all the beginners as well into the show and change their stars as well through this kind of Facebook Live. It's an amazing initiative. And anyone who wants to get onto this show, please contact Jojo K. Joseph on FB, and you can message him on FB Messenger, and he's going to get back to you with a positive answer as well, because he's always motivating, he's always energetic, he's full of aura. As he told, I am full of aura. I would tell he's full of aura. And
Thank you so much.
Chintanji and Jojo, amazing show.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Thank you.
I enjoyed
Thank you so
every
much.
bit of it.
Yeah, we had a great
ಇವತ್ತು
time.
what
ಏನು?
Definitely, definitely.
So very nicely. I request both of you.
Thank you so much for this
Very
opportunity.
nice. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Joe, for having invited all of us over this.
And Vishal, thank you for the appearance. It was amazing to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was my pleasure indeed, Chaitra. Thanks.
So,
Thank
so
you.
all my viewers, to everybody who's been watching with us, signed in and watched these amazing personalities, speaking about their past, their present, and about secrets of success, and about the daily routines that they go through, about the information that they gave about their business. So please log on to all these links, which will be posted once we save this link. And also, do not forget to log on to our UTM Hunt YouTube channel, where we're going to have these recorded shows and we request all of you to please share, please comment, please like us, because our only intention is to bring everybody who contributes to the society on this platform. Let it be a celebrity, let it be a beginner, let it be someone who is also down in their life. We would love to bring you on the show, get you out of that depression, and get you to talk out. Just like how Nandi was very quiet in the beginning, Kannada was not coming out, but by the time she ended this show, beautiful Kannada came out. So, ladies and gentlemen, this show should be a uniting show, a get-together show, uniting not South, East, and West of India, and East or West, India is the best. Thank you for today's show. It's been amazing.
Great. Cheers.
Amazing.
Joe, one
Thank you.
second.
Yeah.
I would like to say, just take up your chai cups and
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Prashant, next time you
all
can
of
come
you.
with
Many
me.
more to
Oh,
go.
come.
Next time I shall.
Okay, cheers, cheers. Thank you.
Cheers.
We're signing off. Please share Nandi ji and Chaitra ji. Please share the same link on your walls as well so your viewers can view. Okay,
Yes.
Nandi is always there for us. And Vishal, thank you so much for your appearance. It really took us back to our college days. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Please
Thank
take care of
you.
your eyes
Joe,
and
Vishal,
take
Chaitra.
for your aura and be the best wherever you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye bye, all
Thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye. Take
much.
care.
Bye
Jai
Bye.
Hind.
bye.
Jai
Bye bye.
Hind.
Jai
Bye bye.
Hind.
Jai Hind.
Bye.
Jai Hind.